Welcome back, guys. Today we are make some banana fritters. We have some 4 banana. Yeah, we have to get them well ripe. We have some flour. Yeah, we have about 2 cup of flour. Yeah, we have some nutmeg. We have some cinnamon. And yeah, we are putting some vanilla in it too. And we add like half cup of sugar. We get a little more sweetness. Because the banana not gonna get that sweetness the way you want. Okay, guys, we're gonna add them in. And we're gonna put it on a medium to low heat and like 2 minutes on each side. It depends on what flame you have your stove on. We have to constantly checking it. This is it, guys. Nice and beautiful Sunday morning banana fritters. Yeah, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you.